Okay, we're going to evaluate x over 3x minus 1 plus 5 over 2x when x is equal to 3. So first, we are just going to plug in 3 into all the x first. That's how we can set it up. So this x is going to be 3, right? So we have the 3 right here. And then we have this 3 from the original expression. This x will open the parentheses and then plug in 3. Next, we have the minus 1. And all this is going to be added with 5 over 2. And this x is once again the 3 that was given. And now this is what we have. And the rest is just you work out the root of operations and then add the fractions. So for this right here, on the top, this is 3. On the bottom, 3 times 3 is 9. And then we minus 1. So that's going to be 8. Right? So 9 minus 1 is 8. And then this is going to be plus 5 over 2 and 3. We multiply them, you get 6. Now, how do we add fractions? Be sure we get the common denominator first, right? The lowest common denominator for 8 and 6 is 24. So let me indicate that right here. The LCD is equal to 24. And you have to ask yourself, 8 times what will give us 24? And we know 8 times 3 will give us 24. So we multiply the bottom by 3. And we do the same thing on the top as well. Multiply the top by 3. In the meantime, we ask ourselves, 6 times what will be 24? 6 times 4 will be 24, right? So let me multiply this by 4 on the bottom and also on the top. And we see that this fraction, we will have 24 on the bottom, which is great. And the top is 3 times 3, which is just a 9. And the next, we add it with this fraction also has a 24 now. And on the top, we have 5 times 4, which is 20. At the end, remember, we are just going to add the top together. 9 plus 20, that's 29. And the denominator stays. So we have 29 over 24. And you should always ask yourself, can you reduce this fraction? 29 over 24. Well, we cannot, but that's good because we don't have to do anything anymore. And even though this is an improper fraction, but it's okay. 29 over 24, it's also a legitimate answer. That's it.